Alright guys, what's going on? So today's Saturday. It's about like 9 o'clock at night. I'm gonna head out for about like 2-3 hours. I'm gonna meet up with my boy Andrew, which you guys should know by now, with the green EK 4-door, and then my boy white boy with the right-hand drive Integra, the turbo one. You guys should know both of them by now. We're probably gonna chill in his garage, or maybe just go to Astoria and just hang out there for a little bit. I usually never really come out, so I don't know. It's nice outside. I wanted to come out at least for like 2-3 hours until maybe like 11:30 and see what I can vlog. Hopefully I get 2 vlogs out for you guys. I'm trying to pump out as much more content. Trying to hit like 20K, 30K. So I know there's a lot of you that are not subscribed, so please subscribe to your boy. I'm trying to get my subscribers up. I'm trying to get out there a little bit more. I've been slacking off a little bit, but I got a family, work, so no excuses. So I'm just really trying to get out there. So please subscribe to your boy. Like this video, really does a lot for my channel, gives me more exposure. So let's get on the road, guys. Got a Mustang, guys! Nothing like cruising at night. Alright, just got to Boostedboiz. Yo, Drew, good? Yo, what up? My first time leaving my car, literally outside in the street. This is my first time.
What happens when you live in a white neighborhood?
He said nobody leaves his neighborhood at this time. Look, he got his outside too, so I feel safe. This is literally,
we right here,
this is literally the quietest like neighborhood, like, dude. Yo, white boy. Yo. Yeah. Yo, not for nothing though. That's the proper way to wash the car though.
I have an electric one.
I have a one with the cord and I never use it because I don't really care about my paint now. But
I use the battery-powered electric one.
I need to buy one, but that's literally the right way. Especially if it's ceramic quarter, bro, the shit comes right off.
I never use a quote to drive my car.
I use a soft one, but I don't really care about my paint fuck, dude. This car is so fucking beautiful, bro.
You know, needs a little bit more polish, but
yeah, I like this shit. This shit is fucking dope, bro.
And so long.
The fucking what's the name of the glass shit?
Glass, yeah.
That shit is crazy.
Killer glass shit.
Killer glass, B.
You was feeling? You guys don't know about this. This is a fully built CSS motor making like I think 700. Fucking thing is beautiful, bro. Like look at those pipes. That's what I want to do to mine. See? That's what I want to do to mine. Dude, everything on this thing is powder coated. Like, dude, all of this. Trans painted, everything, dude. This thing is fucking amazing. Battery right there. Right hand drive. Original Type R. This thing is beautiful. Alrighty. Probably gonna stay out for probably like an hour and a half, hour. Just for a little bit. Just wanted to come out and get some fresh air. The car's not even, haven't even cleaned the car or anything. But it's all good. Going out to have a good time. Chill with the fellas. Beautiful Astoria. Got here right now at the car's beautiful Astoria, as you guys can see. Beautiful right here. So the car's here. His view right here.
I'm proud to say myself.
My boy's car once again. This thing is another beauty. Look at this. Woo! CSS H22, I think. H22 or H23, fully built. You guys know we're talking about turbo cars right now. eBay turbos. This guy right here running eBay turbo. I'm running eBay turbo. Yo, white boy, you're not running eBay turbo on yours, right?
Yes.
You is, right? Yo, listen. You guys don't understand. Look, eBay turbo, eBay turbo, eBay turbo. For all you people that be talking shit about eBay turbos and have no idea, dude, look at this. How much you made? Like 700, right?
The car made 717. It's a company from eBay called On3 Performance.
Look at this. How long you had it for?
Well, I literally just changed this turbo from the, this one's a ball bearing. The old one was a journal bearing. But the journal bearing was on the car for a little over 4.5 years.
Dude.
Had over 10,000 miles on it. Like, I can show you dyno sheets. Probably over fucking 60 dyno passes.
People don't know what the fuck you're talking about. And mine is a regular eBay turbo. Yo, Drew, your shit is an eBay turbo too, right? Yeah, his shit, right? Bro, same exact thing. eBay turbo, same thing. Same exact one as Boostedboiz, powder coated. So for you guys that are always like, talking about eBay turbos or trash and this and the third, dude, we run them, we know they're good. Like, dude, no problem. 700. Yo, how much you made? Like what?
550.
550 on his. Fucking 300 on mine, bro. Come on. And these shits are great. I've been on two turbos in like what, 4 years, bro.
Well, that turbo's got over 5,000 miles on it.
The crazy, yo, before I even tuned my car, I had that turbo in my car for already a year, bro, before I tuned it. So imagine, that 1 year, then I tuned it, had it for like another 2 years, already 3 years, bro. This one's been on the car for like 2 summers already, bro, or some, I don't even know, bro. 2 turbos, bro, for $100, bro. Like, come on.
Bro, listen, what happened with this turbo is, when I first bought this On3 Performance turbo, I thought I blew a seal after like, I want to say 4 years, and finally Andrew over here was like, bro, go journal, get rid of it, get it out, go ball bearing. So I'm like, all right, cool. So On3 Performance actually upgraded the turbo for me for an extra, I think, $200 shipped to my house from journal to ball bearing. So in reality, the turbo cost me $625 all together, shipped to my door.
Look at that, and this thing is fucking amazing, bro.
Never ever had an issue with it, and like I said, I thought I blew the seals in the old one because I was spitting oil from the up pipe, but when we pulled the head, I found out that I had 2 melted pistons in cylinder 1 and 4, so that's why, you know, that's what you get, bro. But 4 years, the car ran around on 93, mating 601. The car never ever gave me a problem, and finally we melted 2 pistons, and that was it.
Bro,
changed everything
and
out.
Look at this. Like, bro, we're just having a conversation about people that talk about eBay turbos that like don't know about them, and like clearly 3 cars that run them, Boostedboiz runs them. If they didn't do the job, we would not be running some cheap ass turbos that didn't do the job.
Guys, if Steven gets a close up, that's an OBX top mount manifold from 2000. It's an original OBX top mount
Probably
manifold.
not. You're not gonna be able to see it though.
It's got
and tell them what OBX is from.
OBX is from eBay. I spent $200 on that manifold back in 2000.
Dude, 2000. Like, come on. The thing is, I feel like people obviously talk without knowing, and once they hear eBay, it's like cheap ass shit. Listen, don't get me wrong, eBay does make some, what the fuck?
I was skeptical like a mother. I was like,
bro,
damn.
I only bought the turbo.
Oh, I need that blue.
Because shout out to the Boostedboiz, man. If it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't have bought that turbo.
Bro, and you know what's the crazy part too? I went with the same thing. Dude, we just busting shots over there.
Woo! RK2 and said
fucking BMWs and the Burbo too. Yo, you said what you made? How much?
But yeah, guys, the car made over 700, man, with an eBay friggin' intercooler.
Bro, you run an eBay intercooler?
Oh no, Andrew's rich. He
got the big boy.
Yeah,
I got some eBay shit on my car, but it works. Like, it literally works. Dude, look at this car. He's not gonna put some bullshit on it that doesn't work. It literally works on his car, and fucking my car. My car's not like their cars, but it's like almost there, and I'm not gonna put no bullshit on it. I drive this shit every day. Andrew drives this shit every day. White boy drives this shit every day, bro. No problems at all. You guys can spend like all the money you want on Garrett turbos. Actually, he knows somebody. Wait, was it the car you have in your backyard, right?
Oh yeah, the purple Integra that Steven just posted for me used to be a B-Series turbo car, and it was on a Garrett turbo for a month, and it blew up 3 times.
Dude, that's like, what? How expensive is that turbo? Like $1,000?
I had my customer 1,600 and some change. And then Garrett, after the first time, gave him a hard time about the warranty. They told him, oh, well, you weren't running a restrictor plate. So he went out, bought a restrictor plate, and the turbo blew up twice after that. And it was even worse. Like, the turbo starved for oil, and it just, I don't know.
See?
eBay, man.
Bro, these turbos are like 100 and some change. Yours is what, like
540 shipped to your door.
But he got the journal, he got the ball bearing.
Ball
So
bearing.
his is a little bit more expensive, but dude, they work.
Bro,
Like,
540 shipped to my door. If the turbo ever goes bad, I'll just buy a new one.
dude, he could buy like 4 for the price of like 1 Garrett
One
turbo.
Garrett, yeah.
Dude, I could buy like 10 for the price of one.
And I guarantee
it lasts
you,
me
I
years.
guarantee you put that turbo up against a Garrett, same.
Yo, they tested it. Same
It's a
exact thing.
GT35 replica.
Same
It'll
replica,
perform
same.
exactly the same.
Dude, Boostedboiz
Exactly
guys
the same.
tested. They literally took everything out, bro. Literally everything. Look at this view. Beautiful, beautiful view right here. About to head home soon though. It's already like 10 something, about to be 11. Probably head home like around 11:30 or be home by 11:30. Cause I don't want to wake up my daughter with the car when I get home. But yeah, some cars here doing some hood rat shit. Some more people coming. But we're here though. Throw it out, throw it out.
Yo, Lou, you saw the message?
My guy right here took pictures of all the cars. You like it? You like it? You like the car?
Yo, listen, they all for sale.
All for sale.
Want to buy one? They all for sale. But he said it's free. Saturday is free.
But I got one now. Made another hit, cause I got one now.
Headed home, guys. Got a little late. Cold by the water. Head home, get some shots. Headed home. See you guys there. What I be saying, dude, I wasn't recording. That M5 came up next to me. He was like, yo, bro, that shit don't sound that slow. I was like, oh, it's slow. Everybody loves the plates. The plates catch everybody off. The car is slow, though. I'm not lying. Dude, I was literally stuck in traffic for 15 minutes, not even moving. I'm finally on the highway now. It was legit, like, not moving at all. I'm finally on the damn highway. Alright, so I made all that noise, and there's literally a cop car that was behind me, so let's see what happens. I see him start coming, downshift and go. I'm out of here. Alright, down. Alright, they exited out. Alright, cool. We're good, we're good. Yo guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.